Hello friends, I am Vighnesh Khandal and I have made a small house of 4 rooms, and this is the living room. Here is a small temple, sofa and a table, and there are 2 sceneries. This is a small temple in it. Here is Lord Ganesha and Lord Krishna and Goddess Radha. Here comes the kitchen. I have made 4 gas hub kitchen. There is 1 microwave, 2 drawers and 2 cupboards. Here is a refrigerator, and this is a freezer, and there are ice cubes in it. This is the fridge, and there are many things. And down in the drawer, there are some mangoes, 2 mangoes, and 3 tomatoes. There are some utensils here, and some in drawers. Here comes the bedroom. In bedroom, there is 1 small bed, queen size bed, and 1 carpet, and 1 cupboard, and 1 clock, and 1 sink also. Now here comes in the bathroom. There is 1 tap, 1 soap dispenser, 1 bathtub, 1 shampoo, and 1 conditioner. And here is a cupboard also. You can open it like this or like this. So this was my hand mirror also. You can see your face here. And this was my small house. Do you like it or not? I like it.